Alam niyo ba, statistics is a branch of mathematics that involves the collection, analysis, description, and inference of conclusions from quantitative data.
Data and statistics, the starting point for the analysis, is the collection of facts, measurements, observation. Statistics involves math and relies upon the calculation of numbers. Here are 5 methods of data collection to ensure your data collection effectiveness.
Interview is a method where the data is gathered by direct and personal contact with the interviewee. Miss Guo, saan po nag-conduct ng research yung section nyo?
Madam, hindi ko na po talaga alam.
Miss Guo, kayo po yung nag-conduct ng research nyo.
Madam Interviewer, hindi ko na po talaga maalala.
Miss Go, can you please tell us the process na lang?
Madam, lumaki po ako sa house namin. Maganda gamitin ang interview method for detailed information gathering. Follow-up question will be convenient.
Questionnaire method is a method where the researcher distributes questionnaires to its participants. It may be in a hard copy or a soft copy.
Carlo? Carlo! Carlo! Tulungan mo nga ako. Sasagutan daw tong J-forms na ito para sa anak ni Lydia at kailangan daw sa research nila. Puro matatanda ang magsasagot eh, hindi naman kami marunong nito.
Teka, ito na oh. Pindutin mo yan dito. Yan.
Tao po!
Dali na!
Tao po!
Sabi, teka lang!
Kailangan lang po namin ng census para po sa barangay.
Ano ba yan?
Required siya sa individual ng Pilipinas. Fill up na lang po dito. Registration methods are datas governed by our existing laws. Tulad na lamang ng census or government count of population.
Experimental method. Wow! Experimental method is a method where manipulation of variables is involved to create a cause and effect relationship. Sana all may relationship. Tingnan niyo to. Asim!
Observation method is a method where an individual or a group observes and describes the behavior of a subject to obtain data.
To wrap it up, we've learned the significance or importance of having the effective data gathering method.